Hello everybody, Joel here. So in today's video I've got a pair of Chippewa Logger boots that I wear daily for work, and I've been wearing these for several years and I just haven't taken the time to give them the attention that they deserve. The laces are starting to get pretty tattered. This one's about ready to pull apart next time I tie it up really tight. I've got a bad one over here also that's just about pulling out. So I stopped at the boot shop and they gave me some new laces, a couple different sizes, dark brown, which I think will match my boot a little better, and then the super long one, but she didn't know what size that would need for sure since they're loggers. But I'm just going to go ahead, get them cleaned up, and go ahead and put some shoe polish back on here, some kiwi, and we'll see if we can't just get them looking a little bit nicer than they are right now. Not looking too bad, got a good start on it. We'll keep going here. I'd say there's a little bit of a difference there between the two boots. It's worth taking a few minutes just to go ahead and hit it with the brush. This one is a horsehair brush, and picked this up at the local boot shop. Works really well just to kind of get that worked in there, get that polish worked in there into the leather, get it protected. So I will continue working on this other boot. And there we have it, two brand new looking boots with kiwi shoe polish and a horsehair brush brought back to life, given some moisture that was much needed. Don't recommend letting them go as long as I did. The shorter shoelace that she had given me at the boot shop is the one that works, so I did not have to burn the end. Just a quick tip, if you do have to cut these laces, all you have to do is burn the end on them, and that will seal them back up again. So there you have it. I will lace this last boot up and we will be all finished up. But thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe or like buttons, and we will see you on the next one.